Hi, I'm Abby from PermaJet. We're well known for inkjet paper, but did you know that you can also create your own greetings cards from home using our pre-creased inkjet media? PermaJet's card range allows you to print from home, adding a personal touch to your cards that you can't really achieve with the generic shop-bought cards. It's also a great platform for selling your artwork and your photography. PermaJet cards come in 4 different surfaces: gloss, silk, matte, and textured. Each surface offers a unique finish to perfectly match your artistic style. Whether you're making your cards for Christmas, for a birthday, or to sell, by printing them yourself, you're having full control over the design and the message. Our cards are compatible with most desktop inkjet printers. We also provide a free Photoshop template, which will make designing and printing your cards much easier. Here's how the template works. So the first thing that you'll need to do is visit the PermaJet website, and you will find the template available on the greetings cards page. This has a template available in it for each of the different formats that we sell. So the A4 to A5 and the A5 to A6. So the next thing you'll need to do is open the format that you want in Photoshop. You can see here that we've provided a marker of where you need to place your image so that it prints out correctly. So the first thing is to go File and then Place Linked, and you find your image that you want to put on the greeting card. Now you can see that this image is actually landscape, and we're printing a portrait format. So what you can do is drag the image to fit it exactly where you want it to sit on the front of the card. And you need to bear in mind that this line, this guide here in the middle, is the fold of the card. So you want it to sit nicely on the right-hand side of the greeting card so that it's centered on the front of the card. So I'm going to place that. You can see there is some of the image overhanging on the side here, which we don't want. So what we actually have on the template is a mask on one of the layers, the yellow layer. And what you can actually do, select that mask and then drag it onto your image. That will then mask out the image to fit to the front of the card, and it will remove everything else that was overhanging on the side. You can then hide the yellow layer just to make sure that that doesn't print as well. We also have the folder here which has the back of the card, which we provide with the PermaJet logo, but you can of course remove that and you can add your own logo or whatever you want it to say. And then that's it really, you can then go to print. Our new greetings cards test pack, which we've just launched, is a great way to try out all the different surfaces of the cards. You can find these and the full range of greetings cards over on the PermaJet website.